So somebody said this for a long video. How many times do you post daily, and how soon before you start seeing plenty views, right? So if you are following me and if you are watching my videos, you'll find out that I usually tell you guys that your consistency may not be my consistency, right? How I post my videos may not be how you post your videos. What works for me may not work for you, right? That's the simple truth on anything concerning posting, whether YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, right? Anywhere, any platform, right? So me, I may be posting once a day. I may be posting once in 1 week. I may be posting once in 3 weeks. I may even be posting once in 1 month, and my video will be going viral, right? Then you may be posting once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day. Still, your video may not be going viral, right? So main thing is consistency. If you are posting once a day, continue posting once a day, right? If you are posting, maybe your video is every Friday, post every Friday. That's your own consistency. You don't need to copy my own or do this. Your audience are not my audience, right? So people that watch your videos are not the same people that watch my videos, and we are not creating the same type of videos, right? So even if we are creating the same type of videos, your audience are not my audience. Maybe your audience are from UK and mine is from US, right? They don't have the same time, right? So they don't. When I post, I used to go and check I will still make videos on that. I will used to go and check my audience when they are usually online and when they view my videos, right? That's when I know time to post and when to post, right? So you can go to analysis and see that on YouTube mainly, right? So my consistent might not be your consistent. You just need to post it and be consistent in what you are doing. If you are posting every Monday, post every Monday. If you are posting every Tuesday, post every Tuesday, right? And for you asking your next question is seeing plenty views, right? There is no specific time seeing views. There is no specific time. I can't tell you once you post it from now to 3 weeks you will see 5,000 views or 10,000 views. Once you are consistent in what you are doing, right, within short period of time. When some people started, okay, let me tell you, me in particular, my first video on YouTube just gave me 500 views. Then second and third videos, I think around 3,000, 4,000 views, right? Do you see it? So, but some people post for like 2 months, they haven't even gotten up to 1,000 views, right? But my second video gave me almost 3,000 or 4,000 views, if I can still remember. So you don't check it like that, right? Depending on your niche and the type of video you do, right, and your audience, even your thumbnail. Don't worry, I will still make videos concerning things you need to do and everything, but I just need to reply to this your message, right? You don't have any specific time to see views on YouTube. If anybody is telling you will see views within 3 months if you apply this, it's a lie. It's a lie. You don't have any specific time. You can even wake up overnight. That same video that you think that may not go viral, it will be the same video that will go viral, right? So you don't have any specific time on views, anything views. Just be consistent in posting. That's why I told you, if you are posting once a day, post once a day. If you are posting twice a day, post twice a day, right? Some people may make it their own distant habit that maybe they are posting once a day, but if they have chance they can post up to 2 or 3 times a day, right? You can still do that, but make sure you post every day, right? So for me, I always make sure I post every day. If I can't post long video for the day, I'll post short, right? So I will make sure I post every day. But it's your choice. So peace and love.